Big Truck versus Pigeon. Rah! I'm gonna get you, you little stinky pigeon boy. That thing's fast.
What?
Why is it so fast?
Your truck?
Oh, yours.
Oh.
Ah! Oh, 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 oh. I probably lived that. Come on, push. Okay, I'm good.
I don't think you're gonna get back up here.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Send the popo immediately, please.
Uh-oh. Come on, push.
Where did
He's
Bo
coming.
go?
Come on, you can
Where
go up.
am
Why
I?
can't you go up the hill?
My truck's an absolute unit. Slightly. Maybe
Come on, you got this. You can make that.
not.
Oh, this bush.
Where
Oh my god.
are you?
Okay, maybe down's our only way.
I see you! Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, my cargo boxes. No! What am I stuck on?
Oh crap. Calvin,
There
you're
it is.
in the trees. I don't know what you mean. What are you stuck on?
It didn't, it just, oh, I'm really stuck. Stretch. Oh.
Oh my
crap.
god.
Oh,
Oh
no.
my god. Bro's on fire.
Pigeon boy, your time has come. Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Love tap.
Ow.
No way, bro, brake checked me. Can't see. Oh, crap. Pigeon boy outsmarted me. You won't get away for the. You won't
Uh-oh.
You won't get away. You won't get away with this. Oh crap!
Oh.
Ow! Alright, Mr. Pigeon Boy. Next stop. Yes.
Oh no. Not again.
Oh.
No, we're good. We're good. Oh, we're not good. We're not good.
Oh, you're on fire.
I'm alive. I'm alive.
I'm not. Oh,
Oh my
maybe I
God.
am. Did I? Ah! Where are you?
Oh.
I'm in the trees.
Oh, I'm gonna come get you.
This is where I belong. Good job. Alright, Pigeon Boy, your time has come. Whoa, Pigeon Boy. You're not gonna.
Why am I What happened back there? Why are you laughing?
Because you're like drifting all over the place. This truck is actually insane. Whoa, that's steep. Dang. A high-speed chase. Dude, you're like, this is... Oh, is this a jump? Air! Oh, I did not get much air. We're going...
I'm alive. I'm still alive.
We're going
no.
down here. Okay,
Oh!
Oh, crap.
Wait, where's the hood thing? There we go. He popped it up. Oh, crap. That's not the hood. Okay.
Dude, what are you
Come on.
doing?
Trying to make some modifications here. There we go. Is the hood off for you?
Yes.
Get that beautiful engine in there. Oops. Okay. You ready?
Pigeon Boy ready. Alright, Pigeon Boy, this is your last chance to get away. Whoa. Speeding ahead, I see. That's illegal. Pigeon boy. Meow. Meow, meow,
Not
meow,
illegal.
meow. Old people, what?
It's not illegal.
What isn't?
Freedom! Oh God.
I'll catch you! I'm coming with you! Ah!